If you've been thinking about teaching English online, but aren't sure where to start, or if you want a flexible, rewarding platform to grow your teaching career, I want to introduce you to LingoAce, a fantastic place to connect with students from all over the world. Let me show you how it works and why it might be perfect for you. First things first, applying is simple. Just head over to lingoace.com/teach. The application form is easy to fill out and you don't need any special certifications like TEFL or TESOL to get started, although having those is a plus. All you need is a bachelor's degree in any field. After applying, you'll record a demo lesson. But here's the best part. You don't have to create your own lesson plan or materials. LingoAce provides the lesson topic and slides. So all you need to do is prepare to teach and show your skills. This takes a lot of pressure off and lets you focus on teaching, not prepping. Once your demo is approved, you'll sign the contract, complete your profile on the platform, and pass a short quiz to get certified. This certification is your ticket to opening your schedule and getting booked by students. Now, what really makes LingoAce stand out is the flexibility it offers. You get to choose your own hours and work from anywhere with internet access, whether that's your cozy home, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. And there's no minimum hour requirement, so you can teach part-time or full-time based on what fits your lifestyle. Another huge advantage, you don't need to spend hours on lesson planning. LingoAce provides ready-to-teach lesson plans and all the materials you need so you can focus on what teachers do best, inspiring and engaging students. You're probably wondering about the pay. Native English speakers typically earn depending on experience and teaching performance. And for those who do really well, there are incentives that can push you all the way up to $20 an hour. That's a great opportunity to boost your income while doing something you love. If you're wondering about qualifications, remember, a bachelor's degree is required, but doesn't have to be in education. No mandatory TEFL or TESOL certifications here, which opens the door to many talented teachers who may not have formal certifications, but have the skills and passion. Also, when you join, LingoAce offers you teaching aids like printable, flashcards, and masks, fun hands-on tools that make your lessons more interactive, especially with younger students. I know from experience how tough lesson planning can be, especially when teaching online. Having everything prepared for you means less stress and more time to connect with your students and help them improve. Imagine logging in, opening your lesson, and just focusing on making learning fun and effective. If you're looking for a platform that respects your time, offers flexibility, supports you with teaching materials, and pays fairly, LingoAce might be just the place for you. So don't wait. Visit lingoace.com/teach today. Apply and start your journey as an online ESL teacher. The world needs great teachers like you, and LingoAce makes it easy to reach students from anywhere.